The therapeutic power of crochet. How this ancient craft enhances cognitive health in a world increasingly dominated by digital screens and fast-paced lifestyles. The ancient art of crochet has emerged as a surprising yet powerful tool for cognitive therapy. Crochet, a craft that involves creating fabric by interlocking loops of yarn with a hooked needle, is often associated with cozy blankets, intricate doilies, and handmade gifts. However, its benefits extend far beyond the tangible creations it produces. For many, crochet serves as a form of mindfulness, a way to manage stress, and even a therapeutic intervention for cognitive health. This article explores how crochet plays a vital role in cognitive therapy, offering mental, emotional, and neurological benefits. The cognitive benefits of crochet. Crochet is more than just a hobby. It is a cognitive exercise that engages multiple areas of the brain. The process of following patterns, counting stitches, and coordinating hand movements requires focus, memory, and problem-solving skills. These activities stimulate neural pathways, promoting brain plasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize itself. For individuals recovering from brain injuries, stroke, or neurodegenerative diseases like dementia, crochet can be a valuable tool for rehabilitation. Improving memory and concentration. Crochet requires practitioners to remember patterns, stitch sequences, and techniques. This repetitive yet engaging activity strengthens short-term and working memory. For older adults experiencing age-related memory decline, crochet can help maintain cognitive function. The need to concentrate on each stitch also fosters mindfulness, which has been shown to improve attention span and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Enhancing fine motor skills. The intricate hand movements involved in crochet, holding the hook, manipulating the yarn, and creating precise stitches, help improve fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions like Parkinson's disease or arthritis, where dexterity and motor control are often compromised. Stimulating problem-solving and creativity. Crochet is both a structured and creative activity. Following a pattern involves logical thinking and problem-solving, while designing original projects encourages creativity and innovation. This dual engagement of the brain's logical and creative hemispheres fosters cognitive flexibility, which is essential for adapting to new situations and learning new skills. Crochet as a form of mindfulness and stress relief. In addition to its cognitive benefits, crochet has a profound impact on mental and emotional well-being. The rhythmic, repetitive nature of crochet induces a meditative state, similar to the effects of mindfulness practices like yoga or meditation. This calming effect can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and promote relaxation. Reducing anxiety and depression. The repetitive motions of crochet trigger the release of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters associated with feelings of happiness and well-being. For individuals struggling with anxiety or depression, crochet can serve as a natural mood booster. The sense of accomplishment that comes from completing a project also fosters self-esteem and a sense of purpose. Promoting mindfulness. Crochet requires focus on the present moment, as practitioners must pay attention to each stitch and row. This mindfulness aspect helps individuals break free from negative thought patterns and rumination, which are common in conditions like anxiety and depression. By grounding individuals in the present, crochet can provide a mental escape from daily stressors. Creating a sense of community. Crochet is often a social activity, with many enthusiasts joining groups or attending workshops. These social connections can combat feelings of loneliness and isolation, which are risk factors for cognitive decline and mental health issues. Sharing patterns, tips, and finished projects fosters a sense of belonging and support. Crochet in cognitive therapy and rehabilitation. The therapeutic potential of crochet has not gone unnoticed by healthcare professionals. Occupational therapists, psychologists, and rehabilitation specialists have begun incorporating crochet into treatment plans for a variety of conditions. Stroke rehabilitation. Stroke survivors often experience impaired motor skills, memory loss, and difficulty concentrating. Crochet can aid in their recovery by providing a low-impact, enjoyable activity that strengthens fine motor skills, improves memory, and enhances focus. The sense of accomplishment from completing a project can also boost morale and motivation during the often challenging rehabilitation process. Dementia and Alzheimer's care. For individuals with dementia or Alzheimer's disease, crochet can serve as a form of cognitive stimulation. The repetitive nature of the craft can evoke memories and provide a sense of familiarity and comfort. Additionally, crochet can help maintain fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination, which often decline in the later stages of these diseases. Managing chronic pain conditions, such as fibromyalgia or arthritis, can take a toll on both physical and mental health. Crochet offers a gentle form of exercise that keeps the hands and mind active without exacerbating pain. The distraction provided by crochet can also help individuals manage their perception of pain, making it a valuable tool in pain management strategies. Supporting mental health recovery. Crochet is increasingly being used in mental health settings to support individuals recovering from trauma, addiction, or severe mental illness. The craft provides a constructive outlet for emotions, reduces stress, and fosters a sense of achievement. Group crochet sessions can also promote social interaction and peer support, which are crucial for mental health recovery. The science behind crochet's therapeutic effects. The cognitive and emotional benefits of crochet are supported by scientific research. Studies have shown that engaging in creative activities like crochet can reduce cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. Additionally, the repetitive motions of crochet activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and reduces the body's stress response. Neuroimaging studies have also demonstrated that activities requiring fine motor skills and concentration, such as crochet, increase activity in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for executive functions like planning, decision-making, and problem-solving. This increased activity can help protect against cognitive decline and improve overall brain health. Getting started with crochet for cognitive therapy. For those interested in exploring the therapeutic benefits of crochet, getting started is easier than ever. Beginners can find countless tutorials online, from video demonstrations to step-by-step guides. Local yarn shops and community centers often offer classes for all skill levels, providing an opportunity to learn in a supportive environment. When starting out, it's important to choose simple projects that match your skill level. Scarves, dishcloths, and granny squares are excellent beginner projects that provide a sense of accomplishment without being overwhelming. As you gain confidence, you can progress to more complex patterns and techniques. Conclusion. Crochet is much more than a craft. It is a powerful tool for cognitive therapy and mental well-being. By engaging the brain, reducing stress, and fostering creativity, crochet offers a holistic approach to cognitive health. Whether used as a form of rehabilitation, a mindfulness practice, or a creative outlet, crochet has the potential to improve the lives of individuals across all ages and abilities. In a world where mental health challenges are on the rise, this timeless craft reminds us of the healing power of creativity and connection. So, pick up a hook, choose your favorite yarn, and discover the transformative benefits of crochet for yourself.